You can check to make sure the sensors are working properly at any time by performing a quick test. We recommend testing sensors after every 10 sessions to ensure you're getting the best possible sessions with your NeurOptimal system. First, set up the system as you would to run a session and launch the NeurOptimal software. For questions about how to set up the system and launch the software, please see our videos Setting Up the NeurOptimal System and Running a NeurOptimal Session. Do not apply sensors to the scalp and ears for the sensor test. Right-click on the trackpad or tap and hold on the screen for a moment on the Tools icon in the Vault window. Left-click or single-tap on the Z-Amp Tests option. Left-click or single-tap on the EEG pattern drop-down menu. Left-click or single-tap Live EEG. Next, stack all of the sensors tightly together between your thumb and finger. Left-click or single-tap Start Test. The left or blue and right or pink lines should follow each other closely. This indicates that the sensors zero out and are reading signal properly. If you see spikes on either side as now shown, first check to make sure you have selected Live EEG in the EEG pattern drop-down menu and that all of the sensors are in contact with each other. Then try restarting the test. It's easy for the sensors to slip or shift between your fingers, and this will prevent the sensors from zeroing out. If you continue to see spikes after redoing the test, the sensors are no longer reading signal properly and may need to be replaced. If your sensors do not zero out, please take a screenshot or photo of the screen showing the test and email it to us so that we may check the results and send a new set of sensors out to you if needed.